Hello, my name is Sebastian Caicedo, and I'm a health science major. What attracted me to the health science major was definitely the wide range of different topics that are covered in health sciences. So I know that Northeastern offers a lot of flexibility in the health sciences major. You can choose different tracks. For instance, you can stay with public health or choose pre-med or physical therapy or any other track of that nature. And then what drew me to Northeastern specifically was definitely the co-op program. So I really appreciated the opportunity to really engage in experiential learning. And so I really think that co-op is very impactful in terms of being able to get work experience while also being able to contribute back to society and really help in whatever capacity that looks like, depending on your major. So for me, it was health sciences. So being able to really contribute to the field of research, for example, was one of my co-ops, as well as being able to work with historically marginalized populations, which was another focus of another co-op that I had. In terms of global experiences, one that I had was a dialogue of civilizations during the summer. And in this dialogue, the two core classes that I took were science of play, which looked at how play impacts childhood development. And so we essentially looked at the health benefits of play for children early on in life. And then the second class was about intercultural studies abroad. So essentially looking at the different cultural aspects and nonprofit. And the country that I went to for my dialogue was England. And I was also part of the Northeastern London campus as well. So the classes were based in that setting. So I got to see a different aspect of Northeastern globally, which I really appreciated. It was really cool to see another campus that Northeastern had in a different setting while being able to still learn from it. However, as I got to know public health, I decided that that was the pathway for me. Later down the line, as I'm now a senior currently, I decided that pursuing my master's of public health is the thing that I want to do in the future. And so I'm currently pursuing the +1 Master of Public Health. What I love most about Northeastern is definitely the support that Northeastern provides, especially professionally as well as personally. So in the professional sense, we get to go on co-op either once or twice or even 3 times for some folks. And before we go on co-op, we have access to a co-op advisor who teaches a class the semester before to really prepare us for how to write our resumes, for example, or with other professional materials such as cover letters. And that's really helpful, one-on-one help that can help you really attain that job that you want. There's also a good amount of opportunities for students and across a wide variety of different majors and fields. And so even if you're looking for something that's outside of your field, you're able to explore that as well. And then personally, I would say that I really appreciate Northeastern's intentionality around being able to provide resources for students of color, for example. And so I really appreciate their dedication to providing that sense of belonging on campus that I think everyone deserves.